Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to see network SSID on Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your mobile and open the Settings app. You can find the app either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi option, then tap on it. Step 3. In the Wi-Fi menu, you'll see the list of available networks. The name of your connected network is the Wi-Fi SSID. For example, if you're connected to a network named PP-Link, that is your Wi-Fi SSID. Step 4. If you want to check the mobile hotspot SSID, go back to the Settings menu and select the Portable Hotspot option. Step 5. Within the Portable Hotspot menu, look for the Setup Hotspot Name option and tap on it. Step 6. Here, you'll see your hotspot SSID displayed on the screen. You can also change the name easily from this menu. That's how you can see the network SSID on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.